Hello listeners, myself Dr. Sapna Nagpal, and in this video we will learn effective use of animations in PowerPoint presentation. Animation is a powerful tool which can be used to make your presentation attractive by dynamically presenting the data. But it is the right use of animation that makes your presentation attractive. So here we will discuss a few tips that makes your presentation attractive by adding animation in it. So the first point is master your context. Yes, very true. It is not advised to use animation on 100% contents. A simple rule is 80-20 rule, and you have to identify the 20% of the contents which are more important, and this is the right place, right contents to use animations so that the important points can be presented to the viewer in an attractive manner. And another point is avoid visual overdose. Yes, you should not use too much of animation. There are basically two ways we can use animations in a slide. One is slide transition, another is animation. If the whole slide is important, then use slide transition because it presents the slide with the animation or some effect. But if some elements are more important, then use animation on the elements. I show you that how a slide transition can give you a catchy effect. So this kind of transition can be used to present the whole slide as a surprise to the viewers. If you compare it with this, it is not that much attractive. And if you use transition, then never use animation because it gives so much visual overdose to the viewers. Another thing is timing and duration. Again, it is advised to use fast animations because slow animations sometimes seem interesting, but if you continuously use slow animations, it gives a lazy effect in your slides and users get bored with the slow animation, so which is not a good thing. Another point is emphasize on focus points. Yes, there is emphasis animations which can be used to focus on certain points. Suppose this is how, if you are presenting certain, say, 5 biggest factors affecting happiness and well-being. So you are using animation to present all these 5 facts. It is good. But suppose if some points are more important than another, you can use emphasis animation like this. Here the same slide is there with 5 factors, but say this point is more important. You can use underline animation, underline emphasis animation to get more attention of the user and to present it as a focus point. So this is emphasis animation. Text animations can be used in a powerful manner to make your contents more, to present your important contents in an effective manner. Use of exit animations, again very important. Sometimes in your slide a lot of contents are cluttered and they get a busy kind of feeling on your slide, so you can use exit animations to remove certain elements like this. This is how exit animations are used. It is keeping one by one all the points away from this slide, and it is making it a light in a manner. So you can see these kind of exit animations are again important sometimes to declutter the contents on your slide and to give it a light look. So this is exit animation. Last is chart animations. Again very important because chart is a very important part of any presentation which is used to present the data in a graphical manner. So we can use animations in a chart, but here animation is used to present the whole chart as an object. But it can also be used to present the data in series or category wise so that it presents the data in an effective manner and it catches the attention of the viewers. So this is how we can present the data by category. So If you present your chart in this manner, it gets a more catchy effect. This is all about the tips for the right use of animation. I hope you like it, and thank you listeners.